there is a lot of difference between copying and getting inspired. I'll show you in live how we can get inspired from other designers' work. Don't worry guys, nobody will have original designs. Some or the other ways we see designs every day and our brain stores that idea and comes out whenever we think creatively. Follow these steps so you can say your design is inspired, not copied. Just imagine you saw a design and you want to get inspired to create your own design keeping this as reference. Firstly, we have to analyze what all elements and what style this designer has used it. That's what we're gonna do with this design here. I got this image from Pinterest. So after analyzing, these are the points which I found from this poster. First is layout. From my view, this designer has used hierarchical grid. When you go for the colors, I've created a palette from the design. Thirdly, this is an important thing, design concept. So in here, minimalism concept has been used. When we come to typography, bold and sans serif fonts are used. And finally, it's a movie poster. Okay, we have all the details gathered here. Now I'm gonna show you what I have designed by keeping these points and making a few changes as per my design style. Now we have come to the second point, which is see how it can be tweaked to your style. So now you are looking at this new tweaked details. Layout is gonna be same hierarchical grid because most of the posters use it often. I'm gonna leave it like that. When you come to the colors, I have replaced red with yellow. And the design concept will be minimalism. I'm gonna add a combination of modernism to it. So in modernism design, we can use like over contrasting elements, a clean and neat sans serif fonts. We can mix and match with geometric shapes. I'll show you in some time where I have used it. And the last 2 points, I'm gonna leave it as it is. Now this is the design which I have designed. As you can see, I have used the same effect from the reference poster, but I've made the placement a little different because so we are putting our brain to do it differently, which means we're not copying, we're getting inspired. And if you can see here, I got an idea to put a car coming from the main perspective. And this is where I have used the combination of modernism design style. The extra things I worked on this are the background gradient letters, and you can see that I have added an overlay to give that rust effect. And final step, don't refer all elements from the same design. For example, in rare cases, if the design requires to have certain elements, then it's fine. But if you have a choice to change the design by just taking 2 or 3 elements from the reference, then that would be a green flag. That's all for this video. This is my own technique which I used to train myself when I was struggling to think creatively when I started designing. Just give it a try, maybe it can work for you as well. So in case anyone says you copied the effect from other design, just show them this process so that they'll know that it's inspired. Guys, before leaving, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for more graphic designing videos. I'll see you again in another video.